Alright, we're going to film this trade recap for a second time because my dumbass had it muted. So, as you can tell, not in the best mood. Again, we ended up losing again today. This is one of my worst weeks trading so far on these PA accounts. We've had them for about, I think, like 20 days now. And we were down, then we were up, and then we were down, then we were up, and then we were down, and now we're up again, and then now we're even down, even worse. So, again, part of it. Just been trading like shit this week, I'll be totally honest. So, let's go over the trade. So as you can see, market open, we had this giant move down, taking out sell side liquidity down below. We reached 4-hour equilibrium. We had Asian session lows down here on NASDAQ and these 15-minute lows. We also had a couple hourly lows. But again, ES, you can see, came down, equilibrium, swept out Asian session lows, and then we started making a move up. I saw an entry off the 1-minute time frame on both indexes, which I didn't take. As you can see, we ended up sweeping out the strong liquidity, forming a 1-minute S&T off of these 15-minute lows, right? And then, yeah, ES broke structure to the upside. This could have been a good entry. Right here, targeting that 15-minute fair value gap. Where did we break structure to the upside? Right here, targeting this 15-minute fair value gap. That would have been a good trade, putting our stops below this fair value gap. Didn't take it because I didn't want to scale down to the 1-minute time frame yet. I wanted to see 5-minute confirmation, but part of it. So as you can see, we scaled down to the 5-minute or up to the 5-minute. On ES, we ended up inversing this 5-minute fair value gap. On NASDAQ, we didn't yet, so I just wanted to see 5-minute confirmation. I saw this 5-minute get inversed right here. It's bearish fair value gap, as you can see. And then we formed a 5-minute bullish fair value gap, right, on both indexes. I thought ES was at least going to come up and take out these 15-minute highs, but it didn't want to do that, and that would have made NASDAQ come up and take out this or fill this 15-minute fair value gap above. So I scaled down to the 1-minute time frame once we came back down into this 5-minute fair value gap, and you can see that we came down, we ended up forming a bearish fair value gap, and then we inversed this fair value gap above, right? So this was my entry. Stops below these lows, and then first TP was going to be the top of this 5-minute fair value gap, second TP here, and then third TP and final TP would have been the 50% level of that 15-minute fair value gap. Again, I got a little scared at first when we, I put my stop loss below this 5-minute fair value gap. Again, I got a little scared at first when we came down here, thought we were going to get stopped out right away, but then we came back up and we broke structure to the upside on the 1-minute time frame, so that's why I decided to hold the trade. As you can see, we broke structure right here by a little bit. Held the trade, price ended up coming back down, stopping us out, which ended up making us lose $250 per account, so we lost around $1,800 today. So, got cooked. What my mind should have been on this trade, as I go back and see it now, with the mistakes I made, I should have saw that, hey, we had this big move down, we probably need a little retracement, and then we're going to continue lower because we have this giant gap down below that most likely needs to be filled. Yeah, as you can see what's happening right now. So what I should have done is waited for price to come up into a 15-minute fair value gap here, which ES did. And as you can see, if we scale down to the 1-minute time frame on ES, if you guys can see that, right? Yeah. If we scale down to the 1-minute time frame on ES, we could see that we came up into the 15-minute fair value gap. We ended up inversing this 1-minute bullish fair value gap. Then we could have marked out equilibrium from these highs to these lows to see if we wanted to continue lower from this area. And then you can see we got heavy selling pressure out of it. This could have been entry, stop where equilibrium gets invalidated above these highs. And then you could have targeted these lows down below and probably would have hit your take profit, or you would have. But again, yeah, we were just totally wrong today. So other than that, it's part of the game. I think we have like $1,800 of drawdown room left on these accounts, so it's not over yet. But again, just got to learn from our lessons and keep getting better every single day. So one of my worst weeks so far. It's definitely a losing week. Part of the game, right? That's all we could say. So again, like, subscribe. I like posting the truth and real reality for you guys. Again, it hurts when you're not winning in this game. But again, followed my rules today. I only took one trade. I lost $250. I was done with that for the day. So it's really part of it. Hopefully we can get some back next week. If not, then we'll just keep moving forward. I think with $1,800 of drawdown left, if we risk around, let's say, $220 per trade, we could still lose 8 more trades in a row. So again, I don't know. If that happens, then I definitely need to fix something. But overall, hopefully we can win a trade tomorrow, or if not, if we don't take a trade tomorrow, or even if we lose, it's part of the game. I don't know what to say. So, other than that, appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys either tomorrow or next week. Adios.